In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 websites that feel like illegal when you access them. Why do they feel like illegal websites? Well, like when the content that on them feel like illegal, like you cannot really believe it. Like what you see in this website, you cannot believe it. So let's roll it. Number 1, Welib.st. Welib.st. This is a website that provides free books. Like you can get absolutely every book free of charge. Like you're not supposed to pay anything. Like you can get a lot of documents, a lot of past papers, a lot of articles, like at free of charge. So let's get to Welib.st website. So let's get to my computer and let's check that out. As you can see, this website, it has over 43 million fucking books. Wait, 43 million fucking books and over 98 million articles. Wait, and also we have over 98 articles and over 98 million academic papers. This is amazing. This is the website that you should check out for. So amazing. So we shall come here. As you can see, all these books, all this, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, What the Rich Teach Their Kids About Money. So all these books, you can read them free of charge, and you can also listen to them, read them, download them, share and save. So let us read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, this book here. Let's read it and let's well, here is Poor Dad and Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So this is the book. It is literally the best personal finance book of all time, and it is loading. But of course, as you can see, it is one of the best books out there that people have always been searching for. So this is what this website can do. Okay, let's put it off. And other books, we can see other books here. You can actually also come up here and search for the book that you want. Like let's say hacking. Let's see the books that they're going to bring us in hacking and see exactly what they can do, of course, Well, so as you can see, there are books here, social engineering, the art of human hacking, and it is here. It's one of the books that hackers use, and books they love the most. Of course, like it's really entertaining. So the book is here. You can read it online. You can download it. So you can download it from here, or you can say to read it online. Well, that's one of the websites. So website number 2. Website number 2 is the Famelack.com. Famelack.com. Famelack.com is this. Famelack.com. So what does this website do? Famelack.com, you can watch absolutely every TV that you want. Like every TV that you wish to watch, you can watch it free of charge across the world, in any country. Well, this is Famelack.com. Let's roll there. So as you can see, let's roll to let's go to USA. We select USA, and then we can go to this, and then we try to watch something from this channel here. Well, wait, we play it.
Christ is coming. You hear this?
Well,
bad news is
that's
good
it.
news, brother.
You can watch
Bad
really
news
free
is the good news, sister.
TV
Why? Christ
across the
is
world
coming.
using
Christ
this
right
website.
now
As you can
is
see,
now
I've
hiding
analyzed,
places
and
is
this
the
is
word
real
of
TV.
God.
This is a live TV.
But until he comes,
Yes, it is
he
called
will
Famelack.
supply our physical needs.
So you can watch
Did you hear
absolutely every TV
Until
in the
he
world using this website here. That's why I said this website feels like illegal, but it's not, of course, And then the third website is called FileCr.com. So FileCr.com is a website that permits you to download any application, any software, either Android, Windows, Mac OS, like all softwares. You can get them free of charge here. Like you can download any software, like those those software that are purchased. Like let me say you can download Adobe Premium Pro, Adobe Photoshop. You can download it on this particular website and at free of charge. Like it is free. You will not pay anything. You know. So here is the website. Like so, I want Mac. Okay, I want Windows applications. So on Windows application, I will tap on Windows here, and then it will load. After loading, then I will come and search. Come search here. I want to search for, what should I search for? Adobe Premium Pro. Where? Adobe Premium Pro. Let me search for that. Let's see what it brings for us. Like seriously, like this website is legit. Like it feels like illegal, but it's not. Well, Adobe Premiere Pro has been pro. So this is 2026. Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. 4.10 GB. Wow. It has been brought, and when you want to download it now, we shall tap on it. So we'll come here, below here. We can either direct download, we can download it directly, or we can download the torrent. So what are we going to do here? So I will tap on direct download. So I'll tap on download. Well, just watch. Generating the link. Thanks for downloading. So just in a minute, and of course they give you a password here for the zipped file. Of course, after opening it, after downloading and then opening it, it's going to ask for the password, and you have to put 1, 2, 3 as the password. Well, you understand? So this is a website that feels like illegal. So what we are going to do is we shall continue. Tap on click to download. What? Click download. It will ask us to put where shall we save our software. So we shall put it here, and then we shall do what? Tap save, and then immediately it is going to come here, begin downloading. You see here it is downloading. So this website really provides you with a lot of free softwares that you can use absolutely free. Well, if you've watched this video to this point of time, like, well, you've loved it, and the reason why I said you loved it because you have watched to this point of time now. So thank you very much for watching, and of course I will see you in another one. But of course, wait, kindly subscribe to my channel, and of course do not forget to follow me on my social media platforms. I'm Anthoma, ANTHOMAA on Instagram. That's my username, and on X I'm also Anthoma, ANTHOMAA. And then on Facebook, I'm Anthoma, just the name Anthoma. So follow me, and then we shall get in touch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.